Welcome back. Let's do question 1.2. Given the first terms of a linear pattern, calculate the values of x and y. So we're told that this is a linear pattern. So it means that the differences are constant. So we're going to use that. And then from the constant differences, we're going to create equations and solve them simultaneously. Right, so we have 3x, y, and then 30. So the difference here is term 2 minus term 1, so it's x minus 3. And then it's term 3 minus term 2, which is y minus x. And then it's term 4 minus term 3, which is 30 minus y. And then from these differences, we can create what? We can create equations because these are equal. So 3x minus 3 is equal to y minus x is equal to 30 minus y. Let's create our first equation. So x minus 3 is equal to y minus x. Then we add x on both sides of the equation or transpose. So it becomes 2x minus 3 is equal to y. Let's call it equation 1. And then equation 2, let's create with these two. So we're saying y minus x is equal to 30 minus y. Right, we can bring negative y to the left hand side, becomes positive y, so it's 2y minus x is equal to 30. Right, that's equation 2. We have y here in equation 1 is the subject, so we can say equation 1 into equation 2. So it's substituting where there's y, we put 2x minus 3. So it's 2 and 2x minus 3 and then minus x is equal to 30. So let's remove the bracket here. Distributing 2, so it becomes 4x minus 6 minus x is equal to 30. And then 4x minus x, that is 3x, is equal to 30 plus 6. We get 36 because we add 6 on both sides of the equation. Then divide by 3 on both sides of the equation, divide by 3, divide by 3. So x is equal to 12. And then using our equation 1, we can find our y. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. So it means that y is equal to 2 times 12 minus 3. So y is equal to 21. Right, we could have managed to create different equations, maybe using, say, this is equal to this as our equation 1, and then say this is equal to this as equation 2. Any combination will get these answers, okay? So because these three things are equal, so just create your two equations and then we can get your x and y.